What if I could give you the exact 3-year roadmap to a 6-figure IT salary, with every step laid out in order? What if I could hand you a precise, step-by-step roadmap, every certification, every skill, every career move, that takes you from complete beginner to a 6-figure IT salary within 3 years? No vague advice. No motivational waffle. Just the actual path, laid out in order. That's what this video is. Save it. Come back to it. Let's go. Month 1 to 2, choose your path. The 4 most accessible, high-paying IT entry points are cloud computing, data analytics, SAP consulting, and cybersecurity. Pick one that aligns with your background. Finance professional? Go SAP or data analytics. Technical or systems-minded? Go cloud or cybersecurity. Month 3 to 6, complete a structured beginner course and earn your first certification, AWS Cloud Practitioner, CompTIA Security Plus, Power BI Data Analyst, or SAP Module Training with Uplatz. Month 7 to 12, build hands-on experience through personal projects, home labs, Kaggle for data, Hack the Box for security, or SAP practice systems. By month 10 to 12, start applying for junior roles. Target: Junior Cloud Engineer, Associate Data Analyst, Junior SAP Consultant, IT Security Analyst, or Help Desk to Systems Administrator. This is not the destination, it's the launchpad. The goal of your first role is experience, not perfection. Take the job that gives you the most hands-on exposure to real systems and real problems, regardless of where in the world you are. Month 13 to 18, earn a professional level certification. AWS Solutions Architect Associate, Microsoft Azure Administrator, Certified Ethical Hacker, Advanced Power BI Skills, SAP Functional Deepening. Professional certifications typically unlock significant salary jumps in every market. Month 19 to 24, add a complementary skill. Cloud engineers add Terraform or Kubernetes. Data analysts add Python. SAP consultants begin S/4HANA training. Security analysts pursue cloud security certifications. Cross-skill combinations push compensation to the upper mid-tier. By year 3, you have real delivery experience, multiple certifications, and a growing professional network. Now you target mid to senior roles. Cloud architect, senior DevOps engineer, senior data engineer, SAP senior consultant, lead security engineer. The combination of certification credentials and real project experience is what unlocks 6-figure compensation in virtually every major tech market globally. At the 2 to 3 year mark, many IT professionals consider contracting or freelancing. The income jump can be dramatic in virtually every market globally. Permanent roles pay well, but contract and freelance rates reflect the premium value of specialized IT expertise. This path requires financial planning and self-discipline, but for the right person, it accelerates income significantly. 3 years is not a long time, but it requires consistency. Study every day, even if it's only 45 minutes. Network actively on LinkedIn. Apply for roles before you feel completely ready. Ask questions, accept feedback, and document what you learn. The professionals who reach 6 figures in 3 years are not the most talented people in the room. They're the most consistent. They show up, they study, they apply, they improve. That's the entire formula. Uplatz is here for every stage of this journey. Beginner courses. Professional certifications. SAP, Cloud, DevOps, Data Science, Cybersecurity, everything you need, affordable, self-paced, and expert-led. Start your roadmap today at uplatz.com. Subscribe to this channel for weekly content that moves your IT career forward. The next 3 years will pass regardless, make sure they take you somewhere extraordinary.